Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. This is Hussein Chai. I'm visual effects artist and TD. I want to show you some CG integration with real plate. You see, here is a giant. Wow, this is a giant. Woo! Here's my friend, my old colleague. He's perfect man. He made himself as 3D as a giant, and he made it in 3D Studio Max with using Phoenix FD and Tyflow. I think I composed it with real plate. I integrate. This shot has some issues, such as you see here is a sun glow, so it lifts blacks. You see, image has different black values in some areas of canvas, and stable camera, it's a stable camera render, so I have to track and integrate with real plate. Effect area has no reference points. You see, here is a moving and flowing surface, so I will show you a trick to solve that. And here's a multi-matte. It separates sea and man. You see, I will use it, and here is my scene. Sorry, here's my camera. You see, it's tracked scene. Let's start with creating a merge node. I want to ignore empty areas from my CG render. I will use crop node, so it gives me a faster cache. Okay, and I can instance this crop node for my multi-matte. Okay, see the issue. This black point around 16. This is around 35. This is around 0.75. Yeah, you see the ramp. It's a lifting ramp. So I can solve that with two color grade and mix them with key mix. First, it's set for maximum lift area. Let's pick white point here and black point here, and grade. Put it between unpremult and premult nodes to get better result, you know. Lift here. Okay, and let's pick gain somewhere. Yeah, something like that. Okay. These are my maximum lift grade. Let's rename max lift grade. Okay, and let's create another grade between unprimed and primed nodes, and this will be my minimum lift grade. Let's set black and white points. This is my black point and my white point. My white point and lifts somewhere here. Okay, and this is my minimum lift grade. And now I will mix them together with using key mix and with using a ramp node. Connect to mask, and I like P linear, it gives better result. You see, now I'm setting my gradient area between max lift and minimum lift grades. Okay, and now I need a track. Now I will show you a trick about conversion from 3D to corner pin. Now I will add a card with checker, and I will track scanline render with 2D tracker node. Let's create a card node, and let's create a scene node. It's my reference, disable it. Let's set it to Z and X. Okay, here is, and set it to my working area. Stuff like that. And let's add a checker node. Scan line, camera, and object to my card. Let's see the movement. Okay, and let's add our tracks here, maybe here. Here and here. Okay, select all and drag backward. Okay, I fixed the problem. Okay, nice. And connect it to after CG, and let's check it. Ignore, and you see the track. It's okay, almost perfect. And I will use this corner pin track in my rotos. I will extract this area from here, because I will put on CG image. I will create a roto node, and let's create roto. It's rough. You have to make it better. It's rough. And let's connect to mask input, invert, and a little bit blur. You see smooth edges we got. And let's instance our main track node here. And now you see our roto is moving with track, but it needs some refinements. I will refine it like that. Yeah, it's okay for now. Let's check the result. Tracking step is okay. Now I have to integrate with extra rotos, and it needs some extra color corrections around here. Let's create another roto, and I'm selecting main area of my CG plate. Yeah, it's okay. Now I will set my feather areas, almost touching foam. And be careful about empty areas of CG plate. I need massive feather areas because a little different from original C. So I need some color corrections. I will set as overall here after key mix. Let's create a color correct node, and I will increase highlights because you see the original is higher. So let's increase highlights. I love to use soft clip node because it reduces highlight burns between 0 and 1, so it clamps my colors between 0 and 1. It's not a sharp clamp, it gives us a soft clamping in highlights and blacks. Okay. Move here before promotes. I need these areas more blacks. I will set it from root here. Let's create a color correction. I instance it, shadow offset down. You see black areas. I have to set black areas larger here, and let's set again. You see here some bluish color. If I increase exposure, you see better bluish. Set it to a little bit bluish. Yeah, it's nice. A bit more. Okay, looking nice. And I need more highlights on C. Let's create another color correction. Let's set it again and increase highlights. Maybe here. Let's set the range of highlights, and let's set it looks better, I think. I have to set the man. I will use multimatte to solute that. Move here. And I have to convert blue areas to alpha. I can use shuffle node to solute that. You see black to alpha. Let's check it. Yeah, it's perfect, you see. And okay, almost okay. But I want to set my ramp. Maybe like okay, it's better, I think. You see our CG plate overflows ships. I need an extra rotor to add here. Select ships only. And stencil it. I have to put it before man mask. Okay, you see it's perfect. A little softness. Okay. I have to set for first frame. Okay. You see, here is a extra black here. I have to fix it with extra color correction. I want to select this area. Move it above here and increase gain, give it softness. Yeah, it's better, you see. I see here is a problem around. I have to set it especially for first frame, like that maybe. Okay. And I want to match glints you see on the sea surface. I want to create glints on my CG plate. I will add a glint node here. Set length, set tolerance, number of rays. You have to set it according to number of iris blades of lens. Now I guess it's around 8, I think. Okay, and let's mix it with original with CG plates. A little bit is okay, I think, and I don't want to affect this area, foam area, so I can use my highlight mask and connect mask input to here, and okay, you see the result. Maybe I have to decrease mix artifacts of my real footage. You see, it's a compressed image. You can see maybe here you see the artifacts, compression artifacts here. I want to match these in my CG plate. Here is a very useful plugin. Sapphire plugin is Sapphire Stylize. Yeah, JPEG damage is very powerful and awesome effect. You see, it gives us JPEG artifacts, and we can set quality here. This is okay, I think. Yeah, you see, it's a better match. See? Okay. I need a black area here a little bit. So I can set it only for last frame, because when the man stand up, here is a cast shadow, you see, and I have to animate it. I can animate mix value, maybe. Yes, 0 for last frame and 1 for first frame. It's nice. Okay, let's cache the result. Okay, the end of it. Thanks for watching. See you soon in next tutorial. Bye bye.